Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Hadian bau Dr. John L. Silo, rentatiang, ubalong ru unong susnong banikong jongkani kejela, ubangat bat kelat no kunyang jingpang coronavirus. Hagani kejela, ka Sorkar Meghalaya kalahap ban pak hang kerdam no shua, Shipor, ya ka Bethany Hospital, hagani ka Nongpoh Shillong, kumjo Nongpoh. Henry hadian sau posngi balayat kapor, bat kamtam hadian baki bor penyat, jongkini ki arteli ki hospital. Kila pendap ru ya kejik perkot ya kini ki hospital katkum ki kendon jokat nat ka koi ka kya kendiat sengi mencua alasya ban pli biang ya ka Bethany Hospital hakani ke Nongpoh Shillong bat haka arpsan terik mentahi bena jembang arajar arpo hadin bala aibor dak sarkar jela nakalyang ki bor penya jong ka Bethany Hospital Outreach Nongpoh kila sedang ban Bteng Biang ya ke Jingshakri nak benta ban ai ke Jingsumar ki Papang Basitom Hariboi District nakalyang ki bor penya jong ka Bethany Hospital Outreach Nongpoh Hadian berada pli Paidbah Biang, hakani kesengi kila pentep bagi Jingshakri ban aji ki Paidbah lengba kani ke hospital. Kan long tang ya ki katu kat Nishwa ya ki bawan simdawai nasabar ke hospital ki Jingsumar bakarke ki Jingsumar ki Kelong bat ya ki waipat ki Jingsumar on sepen bana kam hadian. Haka jelang pli ya kani ke hospital hakani kesengi. Lai dan rengkat ru UMLA kani ke Than uba Meryl Bonds AM, UMDC uba Balaji Rani ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka Hariboi District ka kong RM Korba, u Deputy Medical Superintendent u Dr. CM Pochna, u Chief Financial Officer ka Bethany Hospital, u ba David Silo Rentatiang, u Chief Executive Officer jong ka Nik Hospital, u ba Peter Silo Rentatiang, kantopru i ke Doctor, bat ki nurse, bat ki nong tre jong ka Nik Hospital.
We, the Bethany family, have lost our father on the 15th April 2020. But the prayers, love and support from across the spectrum of society has given us hope and renewed our strength and purpose. We are living a time of uncertainty which draws fear in everyone. But it's in these moments that we understand that our strength lies in the unity of society to fight this pandemic. Nongpoh has always had a soft place in our father's heart. It's the challenges in the health sector that he saw drove him to start this hospital. Yes, challenges are still there, but we know that our good Lord will not allow us to fail as we are here to serve. The diagnostic front got an uplift the moment we installed the first CT scan in this district. We try to help the child beneficiaries by trying to avail the highest benefits for the patients. Our services in Nongpoh district has expanded as we have OPD centers in Kingsley and Birmingham comprising of diagnostics and consultation. We pray that these centers are blessing to the people of Hariboi district.
For us to continue the legacy of our late Dr. Silo. His dream is to serve, and we are here to serve humankind. So I'm extremely happy to be part of today's memorial service, and as well as to reopen Bethany again. I was very sad on that day. Things turned, we never prepared of the outcomes. But then we have always been planning, David was there in my room on the 9th, with a very positive thought that, we will not be using Bethany for any COVID-related matters. We have always planned, as you all know, we have very limited, a lot of constraints for Hariboi district in respect of health. So we were looking forward for having this particular hospital for any other matters, any other cases, normal cases, since our plan is to have the civil hospital as the main corona center. So therefore, things, it was a test for all of us. I believe we have crossed that now, and with a positive note, and we thank God that we are able to experience what we have experienced because things are very uncertain in this particular disease. You know, we were caught unaware and things happen. And now, of course, we are better prepared, and all of us are aware, and I can see all of us are taking distances, and this is the way it should happen from now onwards.
This is the time that each and every one of us will have to come together to fight this battle. I remember on the day, on the 14th of April 2020, on the very first day when the very first case in our state was happening, and at the same time, this hospital also has been sealed by the state administration, by the health department. Each and every one of us was so shocked, and thank God that He has stood us till now, that we are fighting as a community and as a state, as a country as a whole. We understand the loss of the family. We understand the loss of each and every one of you in your family. But we pray to God that He will give you strength, He will give you wisdom, so that you will fight against this battle. Here we are in this hospital. We are very happy that the authority of this hospital invited us to be here together, to be part of this very special day for the reopening of this hospital. Since the beginning that this hospital has been here, there has been a great help to the people of Report, to the people of Nongpoh and particular. I remember the verse from Psalm 127. Let me read in passing. A psalm which is far from you. When I would cry and pay you, imminently the pay. This is the hospital which we have built, and we have started with our prayer, and we hope that this is the place that God will bless all of you, will bless the hospital authority, and He will be there with all of you always. He will guide you so that we will reach from step to step.
Jingplay trong hospital kan phase wise. Ka phase wise kamat kung in sedang shwa de limited OPD services. Kamat ki yung in petang in acha tagi di dawai shwa. Di department ro dan menta shwa ki ba jingplay sa ki detang job di kulung ki dekat pediatrics, but general medicine, but emergency OPD services. Ada ngato in sa Paidbah kat no ka longka manpower jongi kino ki doctors ki balawan phai ki dong pre ki balawan phai, then in expand skiing in expand yang ski bagi department ro komiti option gynecology tingin di pang ahmed, then ki surgery dan angko last phase pada kan long ne third phase kan long bang in play baru phai di kum bagi julang means yi nong pang ki balawan pia hospital go di mentah ka plan jong hospital ka gane kaman in open in phase wise. Now yang mentah sa OPD services ta ia katno kino nong pang dewan ro in bo bahitang ba ka opening ka sedang ka OPD services dang ibat kan ka private clinic baru haji ta sedang banyak kan lai baje kan kod hado lai baje ta kino bawan pada hang ta tangi pedang dai makan corporate lawan le full service ta ka song ha yu kam banga batai pi ba ki ka service jang mentah ki depend di manpower. Jadi manpower come from the doctors. Dan ki doctors jang ki ba badan syabar ke district dan badan syabar ke state. Kam kami kita ke doctors badan state tangi habot je kandan balabot ke sarkar. La daki lawan phai sheniro kadeban ke ban biang be ki ban kinwan. Ta kampat biang kata ka puat tangi ro ngim ko ban force ngim ko ban bo ika society jang iro ke jingma kata ka song ka katkom ka jing ka jat kene ke jing stom banta.